Okay, so how to check that this list here, which item is a number only, right? So we can start with the red text, red as text, and then just click on the cell and tell Excel that right, it's going to be start with inside that between that this the things you want to check, right? This signal the beginning and this signal the ending, right? So inside, right, we want it to be always in digital, right? And if I just put one, right, so would it be no? It isn't. Oh yeah, it should be this. Oh yeah, this should be this there, right? So it's true, right? Now, if I put one two, right, well, it become false, right? Why? Because that it is not. When you put one of these, right, it's just one digit, right? So if you put two, it will not match the patterns, right? So yeah, that's the reason why it doesn't work, right? So now let's just put a plus, right? And it give me two, right? Because when you have a plus, right, it means that one or more digit you can put inside. Now we just drag this down, right? You can see that this is non-digit, right? This has digit, but this is alphabet, right? So now if I want to know is that as long as there's a text, right? So what about what would it be, right? So we can change it to say S. Now, if this is the case, right, then it will always be true because that well, how about this? Well, except the white space, right? So you can see that here. This is not right. So, if I put a space, well, yep, space itself also not possible, right? So you can see that, right? So, uh, when you have this, uh, the backward slash and s, right, and followed by any number of characters, right? That is what it means, right? So now, so you just learn about that the backward slash d and the backward slash s, right? So this is for the digit and this is for letters, capital small letter doesn't matter, right? So you can see that here we just put the a, right? It still work, right? So now inside inside the patterns, right, it should be something like this, right? So now, so let's look at here, right? So how can we say that check validate that this is the email, right? So we can use the very similar things, right? So we just call it the RegExTest, right? And then just click on this here and then comma. Well, again, we're going to say we're going to check that the cell start with uh, S, right? And then it's going to be any number of characters, right? You can see that here, right? Then after that is that we're gonna have alias, right? Which symbolize this pattern, right? And again, it's gonna be any company's name, right? Can be comprised of all these things. Right? So now, and then again plus. Now, how do we say that there must be a dot, right? So because dot itself, right, is a is a symbol, right? So but we don't want to put it there, so we can say slash dot and followed by and we can be still n, can be my, can be UK, can be US, right? So can be cn, right? So that's why you can use another class, right? So once you finish that, right, we need to check whether the cell here contains email, right? So it's finished, right? So we can just put there as a dollar sign, right, to symbolize at the end of it, right? So and enter, right? You can see that this is true. As for the second, it's not, right? You can see why, because that there is no dot after that the domain, right? So this part is for the domain, and this is the dot, right? So and followed by another others, what do you call it already? Yeah. So country code, right? So yeah, yeah, so you can see that here, right? So this word, right? See that this is true, right? Now I wonder if I can just put like maybe like this here, right? I just change it to like with a space, right? No, this is already there, right? So maybe I'll just do another one, right? So, and just right click. Oh, you can. Oh yeah, you can move a hyperlink. So let's say I just put it here now without anything, right? So can I do like this? No, wait. How about can I just put a single quote? So will it be? Oh yeah, it's false. You see why? Because this as right cannot work this way, right? We talk about that dot, right? Is really is acceptable as well, right? Because it's part of the yeah as here, right? So okay. Um, Thanks for watching, right? Um, so this is it, right? RegEx, right? So when you have this here, when you have this symbol here, it means that one or more digits, right? Slash D plus, and if you look at here, that I just talked about how to validate an email, right? This is one or more non-white space characters, right? So if it's white space, right? So it doesn't count, right? So and literally symbol, right? So represent the in the layers in the email, right? So and the dot, little dots, right? So that's it. Thanks for watching.